Before you finish watching this video, you will take hundreds of breaths without even thinking about it. But have you ever stopped to ask yourself, what is breath? Is it simply oxygen entering the lungs, or is it something much deeper? Why did our African ancestors consider breath sacred? Today we journey into Igbo cosmology and ancient Kemet to uncover the mystery of breath, life, and divine order. The very first thing every human being does after entering this world is breathe. The very last thing we do before leaving this world is exhale. Between those two breaths lies an entire lifetime. Our ancestors noticed this simple truth long before modern science explained respiration. They understood that breath was not merely a biological function. It was the visible sign of invisible life. In Igbo cosmology, the concept of uemi, or breath, is closely associated with life itself. When someone is alive, they breathe. When breath leaves, physical life comes to an end. Breath therefore became a powerful symbol of vitality, presence, and the mysterious gift of existence. The Igbo also recognized that life is not self-generated. Existence is received. Human beings participate in life, but they do not create the life force on their own. This understanding encourages humility. Every breath reminds us that life is a gift rather than a possession. The elders often observed nature carefully. The wind cannot be seen, yet its presence is known because leaves move. Likewise, breath cannot be held in our hands, but it reveals the presence of life. The invisible makes itself known through visible effects. Now let us travel into ancient Kemet. The ancient Egyptians viewed life as animated by divine vitality. Their spiritual teachings described human beings as more than physical bodies. Life involved multiple dimensions of existence, including physical, emotional, intellectual, and spiritual aspects. Breath became one of the symbols through which this vitality was expressed. Many temple carvings depict deities extending the Ankh, often called the symbol of life, toward the nose of a king or sacred figure. Scholars generally interpret these scenes as symbolizing the bestowal or sustaining of life by the divine. The image is deeply symbolic. Life flows. It is received. It is sustained. Both Igbo and Kemetic traditions point toward a shared insight. Life is continuous participation in something greater than ourselves. Modern science teaches us that breathing supplies oxygen to every cell. Ancient African wisdom invites another layer of reflection. Breath also reminds us to be present. Think about what happens when people become anxious. Their breathing becomes shallow. When they become calm, breathing slows. The quality of our breath often reflects the quality of our inner state. This is why moments of stillness can be so powerful. A deep breath interrupts panic. A slow breath creates space for reflection. Breath becomes the bridge between the body and the mind. Nature teaches this same lesson. The wind moves through forests without asking permission. The breeze cools the earth without demanding recognition. Life itself flows quietly. Perhaps that is why breath remains unnoticed most of the time. Yet without it, nothing else matters. Divine order reminds us that the greatest gifts are often the simplest. The air we breathe, the sunrise we witness, the heartbeat that continues while we sleep. These ordinary miracles sustain extraordinary lives. The next time you take a deep breath, remember this. You are participating in the same breath of life that has sustained humanity since the beginning. Every breath is a reminder that you are alive. Every breath is another opportunity to grow. Every breath is another invitation to live wisely. If this teaching changed how you think about something as simple as breathing like this video, comment below what you're most grateful for today, and share this wisdom so more people can reconnect with the sacred gift of life.